Hey, good evening, Bob Trade Genius, 6th of March. And I just wanted to go ahead and show you a quick chart here of the ES, and because it's important. I talked about this on Monday. Here's our weekly high and low, and we went ahead and broke through it here after the close today, and so it brings in this magic channel line. Okay, so we'll need to get through this low volume area here, and then it brings this line into play. It brings this low end of the value range. This looks back 20 trading days, so a month of trading, and so I think it's going to get there. If you notice, we're losing enthusiasm here, and even in the money flow side. So every rip is being sold off, sold off, sold off, and now we're embedding down. So we need to come down off this stuff. The move up was just it was just too fast. If you're a bull, you want this. If you're a bear, that you're like, why did it take so long? And we need to just to cleanse this if we want it to go higher. But if this is the high, then just expect a lot of pain to come. You know, the economic backdrop is weird. The political backdrop is even weirder. Europe's in big trouble. They just had to put out a notice that they're going to bail out their banks again in their pretty language that their ECB does. And China and Japan are just pumping money like crazy. And so, you know, on the good news side is gold and silver holding up just fine. But this market is definitely overbought, and it's going to come down. So just keep an eye on it here, and I think we'll see this action tonight. Now, assuming that I'm wrong, and this thing bounces back up, then they're going to take a run back up to this purple line here, and back up to 2014, and then we're back to all-time high stuff. So that's what we're faced with now. Mildly short overnight, and just kind of waiting to see what happens. Most of the stuff I'm in are metals and miners and some lottos, which have been paying us. And so if you want to trade with us, go to tradelikeagenius.com. And on the crypto front is that we just been killing it. So Phil will talk about that more. And if you notice, Binance Coin has hit all-time high. Litecoin is chugging along. Bitcoin looks like it's ready for another move higher. So if you have use cases, cryptos are becoming good alternatives. Gold, silver, and the miners are going to be just fine, and natural gas is interesting too. So there's places to play, you know, if you want to get out of the regular marketplace. So anyway, it'd be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. I'll be up early, so I'll post when I get up to see if they save this thing, or if we push down to here. And so if we get down this low, I'll be covering in here. If we break below this on SPX, this is the next area right here, and this line here is definitely will be a reversal area. So that's what I'm looking at. You guys have a great night, and I'll catch you all in the morning. Bye bye.